On November 16, 2022, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) updated the National Occupational Classification to the 2021 version. This change replaces the NOC 2016 skill type and level system with a new 6-category system that more accurately defines the requirements for each occupation. Exciting news! As a result of the implementation of NOC 2021, 16 occupations will now meet the requirements for express entry, while 3 occupations will no longer be eligible under this program. However, these 3 occupations can still participate in other immigration programs with less stringent eligibility criteria, such as specific streams of the provincial nominee program. Here are the 16 newly eligible occupations under Tier 3 that have become newly eligible for express entry. Number 1. The Occupational Code 13102, Payroll Administrators. Payroll administrators collect, verify and process payroll information, determine pay and benefit entitlements for employees, maintain accurate payroll records, and provide payroll information within a department, company, or other establishment. They are employed by payroll administration companies and by establishments throughout the public and private sectors. Number 2. The Occupational Code 33100, Dental Assistants and Dental Laboratory Assistants. Dental assistants assist dentists, dental hygienists, and dental therapists during the examination and treatment of patients and perform clerical functions. Dental laboratory assistants assist dental technologists and technicians in preparing and fabricating dentures and other dental devices. Dental assistants work in dentists' offices, community health centers, clinics, and an educational institution. Dental laboratory assistants are employed in dental laboratories. Number 3. The Occupational Code 33102, Nurse Aides, Orderlies, and Patient Service Associates. Nurse aides, orderlies, and patient service associates assist nurses, hospital staff, and physicians in the basic care of patients. They are employed in hospitals, nursing homes, assisted care facilities for the elderly, and other healthcare establishments. Emergency medical care attendants are employed by private ambulance services, urgent care centers, or other health facilities. Number 4. The Occupational Code 33103, Pharmacy Technical Assistants and Pharmacy Assistants. Pharmacy technical assistants perform technical tasks related to preparing medications under a pharmacist's supervision. They also assist in filling prescriptions and managing patient files. Pharmacy assistants perform clerical functions and assist pharmacists and pharmacy technicians with drug dispensing tasks. Pharmacy technical assistants and pharmacy assistants are employed in retail and hospital pharmacy, long-term care facilities, and by pharmaceutical manufacturers. Number 5. The Occupational Code 43100, Elementary and Secondary School Teacher Assistants. Elementary and secondary school teacher assistants support students and assist teachers and counselors with teaching and non-instructional tasks. They assist in areas of personal care, teaching, and behavior management under the supervision of teachers or other child care professionals. They are employed in public and private elementary, secondary, and special needs schools and treatment centers. Number 6. The Occupational Code 43200, Sheriffs and Bailiffs. Sheriffs execute and enforce court orders, warrants, and writs, participate in seizure and sale of property, and perform courtroom and other related duties. Bailiffs serve legal orders and documents, seize or repossess properties, evict tenants, and perform other related activities. Sheriffs and bailiffs must usually complete a training program offered by the province to work in the provincial courts. They are employed by federal, provincial, territorial, and municipal courts, and bailiffs may be employed as officers of the court or in private service as agents for creditors. Number 7. The Occupational Code 43201, Correctional Service Officers. Correctional service officers guard offenders and detainees and maintain order in correctional institutions and other places of detention. Primary workers develop women offenders correctional, plan and work with other service officers in the correctional team. They are employed by federal, provincial, and municipal governments. Correctional service officers who are supervisors are included in this unit group. Stay updated and be the first to see our new content about Canadian immigration. Click the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications now. Thank you. Number 8. The Occupational Code 43202, by law enforcement and other regulatory officers. By law enforcement and other regulatory officers enforced by laws and regulations of provincial and municipal government. They are employed by provincial and municipal governments and agencies. Number 9. The Occupational Code 63211, Estheticians, electrologists. and related occupations. Estheticians, electrologists, and workers in related occupations provide facial and body treatments designed to enhance an individual's physical appearance. They are employed in beauty salons, electrolysis studios, scalp treatment and hair replacement clinics, and other similar establishments, and in cosmetic departments of retail establishments such as pharmacies and department stores, or they may be self-employed. Number 10. The Occupational Code 73200, Residential and Commercial Installers and Servicers. Residential and commercial installers and servicers install and service a wide variety of interior and exterior prefabricated products such as windows, doors, electrical appliances, water heaters, fence, play structures, and septic and irrigation systems at residential, commercial, or institutional properties. They are employed by companies specializing in specific product installation and service. Number 11. The Occupational Code 73202, Pest Controllers and Fumigators. Pest controllers and fumigators inspect buildings and outside areas for pest infestation and spray chemical treatments to kill noxious and destructive insects, rodents, and other pests, or set cage traps to capture and remove animals. They are employed by pest control companies, or they may be self-employed. Number 12. The Occupational Code 73209, Other Repairers and Servicers. Other repairers and servicers repair and service a wide variety of products, such as cameras, scales, musical instruments, coin machines, vending machines, sporting goods, and other miscellaneous products and equipment. They are employed by product specialty repair shops and service establishments. Number 13. The Occupational Code 73300, Transport Truck Drivers. Transport truck drivers drive straight trucks or tractor trailers to transport freight. Long-haul truck drivers operate heavy trucks over urban, interurban, provincial, and international routes, while short-haul and local transport truck drivers operate over urban and short interurban routes. They are employed by transportation, manufacturing, distribution and moving companies, and trucking employment service agencies, or they may be self-employed. Number 14. The Occupational Code 73301. Bus drivers, subway operators, and other transit operators. Bus drivers, subway operators, and other transit operators drive buses and operate streetcars, subway trains, and light rail transit vehicles to transport passengers on established routes. Bus drivers are employed by urban transit systems, school boards or transportation authorities, and private transportation companies. Streetcar, subway, and light rail transit operators are employed by urban transit systems. Number 15. The Occupational Code 73400, Heavy Equipment Operators. Heavy equipment operators operate heavy equipment used in the construction and maintenance of roads, bridges, airports, gas and oil pipelines, tunnels, buildings and other structures, in surface mining and quarrying activities, and in material handling work. They are employed by construction companies, heavy equipment contractors, public works departments and pipeline, logging, cargo handling, and other companies. Apprentices are also included in this unit group. Number 16. The Occupational Code 93200, Aircraft Assemblers and Aircraft Assembly Inspectors. Aircraft assemblers assemble, fit, and install prefabricated parts to manufacture fixed-wing or rotary-wing aircraft or aircraft subassemblies. Aircraft assembly inspectors inspect aircraft assemblies for adherence to engineering specifications. They are employed by aircraft and aircraft subassembly manufacturers. Thanks for watching. To keep seeing more of our content regarding Canadian immigration news, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Your support means the world to us. Thank you. This presentation is brought to you by Kazuki Takahashi, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and a practicing Ontario paralegal.